How to fix Capitec Bank app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Capitec Bank app is not loading or opening, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. So you want to switch up between Wi-Fi and data. Now, if your internet is working fine, the next step is to make sure that Capitec Bank app is fully updated. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Capitec app. Now, if you find an update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Updating the app will fix bugs and any other issue with the app. Now, you want to open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, go ahead and open up your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be visible over here. You want to locate Capitec and then tap on that. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here you want to tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete all of this application's data. After you do that, you want to open the application, log into your account and check if the problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall this application. Tap on the uninstall option. Once it has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store. Now you want to reinstall this application. For that, tap on the install option. After it has been installed, any problem with the app will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.